In this video, I'm going to show you how to check RAM in your laptop. So I'm going to show you 3 methods to find out how much RAM you've got. The first method is to go to your menu over here, and then you go to your settings. Now you need to go to System, and after that you select About. And over here you will see the amount of RAM you've got. So I've got 8 gigs. So that's the first method. You can also go to the search bar over here and you search for system info. So system information. And now you will see a lot of data about your computer. So in my case I've got the 64 version, system model, the BIOS mode, and over here you will also see the amount of RAM. So 8 gigs. You can also go to your hardware resources or software environment and you will see a lot of data. So just take your time and scroll through all this data if you want to. And for the third method, you can also hold the keys Ctrl-Alt-Delete at the same time. And then you go to Task Manager. And here you select Performance. And now you will see more information about your system. So the CPU, memory, disk usage, something about your Ethernet. And that's how to check your RAM in your laptop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If that was the case, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.